Hey gang, and welcome to Weaver Music.
Hey gang, we have a 1965 original Fender Mustang. We have been requested to clean up and possibly restore some aspects of it. Because this beautiful thing is original, we are going to do what it takes to make sure it's playable and provide it back to its owner. Alright, let's get started. I think we got a little bit intonation issue here with some other stuff. Maybe look at that.
What we're doing is we are building an angular neck pocket plate. What that means is that this is what we're creating. We created this. Obviously this is kind of blown up a little bit. But this is what it looks like, and what we do is we take our chisels and we plane that down on a tapered angle. It starts out the side view looking like this. By the time we're done planing it down, it looks like this right here, where this is towards the back of the guitar pocket, this is towards the neck itself. And what it does is it goes basically like this, because right now what's happening is the body is like this and the neck is like this. However, the space between here and the angle of it is just funky, and I don't know why. Over time, maybe the pocket of the body itself is kind of warped and tweaked a little bit. But remember, when we first started looking at it, the space between the neck right up in here and those strings was really huge, and it really messes up your intonation. And so to fix that, the only thing we can do is build this plate. So we take it from looking like the body and the neck being straight to the body and the neck being tapered down. So what that does is it will actually move the neck up a little bit in this spot right here, but then it brings the neck angle down, so your string alignment will go from your trim all the way down to the nut, and it will be parallel with your fretboard when you make your adjustments here, and give you exactly what it was originally or should have been. All right, it's time to route out that crack. Alright, the crack is now gone. So now we will go ahead and fill that in. We're good to go.
Alright, here we go. We are finished. And it came out really, really nice. We even got the strings adjusted now for the height, which required that wedge down in there. I really shouldn't say wedge. It's the angle plate I built. But that's it. And it is done. Only thing left is to demo it.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, and always please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next video.